This is it. Our last time sweeping in this house. How does that make you feel?
A little sad.
Right? And we're leaving our little China hutch.
No one wanted a 500-pound China hutch, as it turns out.
Why not? It's a good workout. Free home workout right there. Final walkthrough. I'm gonna miss this fireplace.
This was such a great sitting room.
It was. Lots of natural light.
Beautiful hardwood floors.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful slate.
Yeah. Kitchen.
Made a lot of meals in here. Got drunk a lot of times in here.
Yep. Lots of activities. I really did like cooking on the stove.
Gas range all the way.
Yeah.
No other way.
Right? So much light in here too. A huge fridge for all of our food making needs.
That was the hardest thing to clean in the entire house, believe it or not.
Yeah. I'm gonna miss this little deck, even though it's a splinter hazard.
My very last night I came out here to have a beer and I got a splinter on the very last night of having this house.
In which foot?
The right foot.
I mean, it's really small, but it was nice.
Cute little backyard. It took longer to pick a song than it did to mow it.
Half a song per mow. A tree that is dying. So the new owner can try to revive it. Lots of pretty flowers though. These were already there when we moved in. And these high ceilings were nice. Pantry.
We didn't clean all the way. This is where all the magic happened, where we practice juggling and cutting a lady in half and pulling rabbits out of hats.
We're very talented.
Very great magicians.
Our closets are empty. And our semi-master suite. This shower though was amazing. This is probably my favorite shower ever. That window, all the tile.
I like this because we didn't need a night light in there. There was a street light right outside of that window, so it was the perfect amount of light at night.
It was. Are we leaving this soap?
I don't want it.
Hello there. Yeah, we can leave it. And then linen closet. And office. Oh yeah, don't forget our Wi-Fi.
The Wi-Fi machines.
The Wi-Fi machines.
Oh God, I
My
remember.
second closet. Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we got our Wi-Fi.
After a short detour.
After a short detour, we got our Wi-Fi back, our machines back, whatever you want to call them.
Wi-Fi machines.
Wi-Fi machines, okay.
I love that you just call it Wi-Fi.
My Wi-Fi, my Wi-Fi. And this lovely basement. So much room for activities.
So many naps on this couch.
That isn't there anymore. So many Monday nights watching John Oliver.
our haunted basement here. The unfinished section.
And
the biggest bedroom of the house. The new owner already has furniture in here.
yeah, she decided to move some stuff in early, which is fine. We weren't using this room anymore. But yeah, this had the walk-in closet and was the biggest room, but we made it our guest bedroom. Because it's just not as cozy. Like, you know, you got this little, what's it called?
Egress window.
Egress window. It's not as comfortable. And then our second bathroom. We're leaving the fishies because they came with the house, so they stay with the house. And that curtain also came with the house, so we're just gonna leave it.
Yes. Larry, Barry, Sherry, and Tim. Their names.
Alright. Surprised there wasn't a Kimberly. Okay, and our laundry room. Last room. Got all the laundry out of here?
I think so.
Okay.
She might get some underwear at the house.
Awesome. Alright. That concludes our goodbye house tour. There goes the garage for the last time. Goodbye, house. Last time driving out this neighborhood.
To Mexico we go.
To Mexico! But first, a quick stop in Kansas. Oh, skyline. Too bad. Oh, you can kind of see the skyline. Nope, not really. Oh, they finally put in that speed bump. Oh. Not that one though. Alright. Happy day.
I think happy day.
Happy day. This is a big step. Okay, to Kansas.